Interim Income Model. Understanding IIM, the short version. Get stuff done like you have superpowers. The following description was originally sent to active IIM members by Cliff Kerrigan. IIM has been initially mistaken as a simple but powerful list building tool. While IIM does do extensive list building, in reality, the list building is only a portion of the whole interim income model. If you look into your IIM Level 3 members, you will find that you have direct list building forms. You have products to sell, long forms, and you have affiliate funnels to promote. In other words, you have list building, your own product sales, and affiliate sales opportunities. Do you get it? IIM is an entire, fully set up business, A to Z. As time continues, I will, of course, be adding additional product sales funnels to command you even higher profits per sale. And I will be adding even more pre-sale affiliate funnels that also pay out at higher levels. IIM is a complete business, not one or two aspects of a business. It is indeed, in fact, a start-to-finish complete business that you manage from a single control panel, and your business will continue to grow by default because I grow my own business by default. Remember, your business is a living clone of my own business. The only thing that you actually need to do outside of IIM is to send promotional emails to the list that you're building. Sending emails doesn't even mean you need to find affiliate offers to promote, because you have so many income opportunities already built into your IIM system. You can send your list emails promoting other offers you already have inside your own interim income model funnel system. Cliff says, I'll put my own business in your hands, the exact same business that I'm running and earning a full-time income with. In fact, it's a real-time mirror image sync copy of my personal business. For complete information, and also to watch a 5-minute video that fully describes exactly what Cliff is offering, click the link below this video.